Hello guys and welcome to pronunciation workshop for everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced vegetables, 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 vegetables. Examples: I'd like some vegetables for a salad, please. Are these vegetables treated with pest killers? It's a good idea to eat fresh vegetables every day. Homework. Make a sentence with the word vegetables and write it in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.